Hey everyone, welcome back. This video is the first video in the series for intelligent flight modes of the DJI Mavic Pro. So every video we'll go over maybe one or two intelligent flight modes and how they work and everything. And I probably won't do them in order as they are on this list, but I will be sure that by the end of the series I've done all of the ones that are in this list. So in this video we'll be working on and looking at gesture mode. Okay, so it's accessed by pressing this controller button on the left side of the screen in the DJI Go 4 app, and pressing the gesture button here. It's on the first page in the upper right hand side. Press it. It'll give you a little intro on how to use it. Hit OK, and let me make it descend to where it can see me. Alright, there we go. Now, there's two ways to get it to lock onto you. You can get it to lock onto you by simply pressing the object on the screen and pressing go, as you would for active track. If you're familiar with that, I'll cover active track in a later video in this series. Or the way it's supposed to work is, or the reason why it is, one of the main reasons why it's gesture mode, is because you can get it to lock onto you by making a gesture, like making a Y shape like this. Locks onto you. Alright, and now it's locked onto you. You can walk around with it. It follows you as it would if you were using active track. And then the next feature of gesture mode is if you want to take a picture without using the controller or the app or anything, just do this with your hands.
3, 2, 1.
Counts down, flashes the lights in the drone to tell you there's a timer running, and I'll take a picture of you. So yeah, so this is really useful if, for example, you are flying it with only the phone and it's tracking you and it's in your pocket, phone's in your pocket, and you want it to take a picture without you needing to reach into your pocket or anything like that. That's what gesture mode's useful for. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next video in the series or any other of my videos. If you liked it, be sure to give it the thumbs up and the subscribe button. And hope to see you in the next video. Happy flying.